Hello everyone! My name is teacher Alice and welcome to Halloween party with English for fun. Hi there, my name is Pumpkin. My friends and I are going to have a Halloween party. We wear fancy dresses. I'm Pumpkin. He is Mummy. He is a monster. She is a witch. He is a vampire. She is a ghost. He is a skeleton. It is a bat. On this scary night, we do trick and treat. Trick or treat? Treat. Happy Halloween! Now it's song time. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The ghost on the bus goes boo boo boo, boo boo boo, boo boo boo. The ghost on the bus go boo boo boo, all night long. The witch on the bus goes trick and treat, trick and treat. The witch on the bus go trick and treat, all night long. The people on the bus go happy Halloween. The people on the bus go happy Halloween, all night long. Let's review the vocabulary. A pumpkin. A monster. A mummy. A witch. A vampire. A ghost. A skeleton. Excellent, good job! I hope you will enjoy the video, and if you want to keep on learning and having fun with us, it's teacher Alice and it's English for fun. See you next time, bye for now!